Since I got to start it anyway to mix up that antifreeze. I just can't stand it. I'm going to have to try and see if I can spin that blade with it. So here goes nothing. Looky there. I'm gonna have to tighten up this one side. There's a lot of adjustment there, so going forward on it doesn't work. That is amazing to see that thing spinning. It's been a long time coming. Well, very, very exciting, but it looks like I should have listened to the advice that was given me. Just pulled that off the end of that, so I'm going to have to go with something better for my belting there. So here's the notice. My last video when I was talking about using that strapping Don't try it. Here's notice that I was wrong. Anyway, I'm so excited I can hardly stand it. Watching that thing spin, and boy, the shafts and driveline and everything is just smooth as could be. Everything's spinning just as smooth as could be, and the carriage did go forward and back a little bit. I just got to do something with that belting. Okay, so these belts I got to give up and just spend the money and order some good belting in. Anyway, I had this old stuff here around the house, and I didn't want to use it because it looks like it was moth-eaten in a few spots. And so I thought, when that strapping didn't work, I thought I'd get it out and try it. But it's just too old and rotten. I don't know, it's probably 100 years old. But anyway, I tried it and it just completely split. Just too old and rotten. So anyway, I will close this video and go order some good belting, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.